second derivative test for local extreme values. This test says that suppose you are having a function of two independent variables f of x, y, and its first order and partial second order they are continuous throughout the disk. Centered at AB. And that the partial derivative with respect to x at AB is 0 and partial derivative of the function with respect to y at AB is 0, means they are the critical points. Then the function f, this has local maxima at point AB if the partial derivative of the function with respect to x and x again, means second order partial derivative with respect to the function with respect to the variable x, if this is less than 0, and f of xx into f of yy minus f of xy whole square, this is positive at any point AB, then the function attains local maxima at AB. This should be positive for minima and maxima both. Similarly, the function will attain local minima at some point AB if the f of xx, it is positive, and again this discriminant is positive at some point AB, then the function assume local minima at AB. So this should be positive. Both these should be positive. Third statement, that is if f of xx into f of yy minus f of xy whole square, if this is less than 0 at any point AB, then f has saddle point at that point. Okay, whatever the sign of f of xx, हमने उसको नहीं देखना. अगर ये चीज आपके पास less than 0 आ जाता है, then you will always have a saddle point at the critical point. But if this thing is 0, if f of xx into f of yy minus f of xy whole square, if it is 0 at some point AB, then this test fails. Then the test fails, right? Then we can't say anything whether the function has maxima, minima, or saddle point. In that case, we have to apply the definition. So by definition ही आप देखोगे कि if the value of the function at some point AB, if it is अगर ये रिलेशन होल्ड हो रहा है फॉर ऑल एक्स वाई लाइंग इन द नेबरहुड ऑफ ए बी, देन दिस विल बिकम द मैक्सिमा. अगर ये रिलेशन होल्ड हो रहा है, देन दिस विल बिकम द मिनिमा. एंड इफ यू आर हैविंग सम पॉइंट्स वेयर this thing hold as well as this thing hold, then that will be the saddle point. So you will apply the definition if this thing is 0. Okay, so once again, see this second derivative test for local extreme values. This test says that if you are having a function of two independent variables and if all the first order and second order partial derivatives exist and if they are continuous in the neighborhood of AB, and this point AB is the critical point, means partial derivative with respect to each independent variable is 0, right? So then the function assume local maxima. First of all, this discriminant should be positive. F of xx into f of yy minus f of xy whole square at a point AB, it should be greater than 0 for local maxima as well as local minima. The next condition is if the second order partial derivative with respect to x, if it is negative, then the function has local maxima, and if it is positive, then the function has local minima, right? But if this discriminant is negative, it is less than 0, then the function always have saddle point at the critical point. Okay, and if this discriminant is equal to 0, then we can't say anything, we cannot apply this test, we have to judge with the help of definition only. Okay, now just see with the help of an example. Let's suppose you are having a function f of x y आपको given है, it is x cube plus y cube plus 3x square minus 3y square. Find the local extremas of it. Right. Now just see how will you find out. First of all, you will find out the critical points. So for that, you will find out the partial derivative of the function with respect to x as well as with respect to y. What will be the partial derivative of this function with respect to x?
Ma'am, 3x square plus 6x.
Put it to be 0. What will you have? You get x0 and x is equal to minus 2. Similarly, find out the partial derivative of f with respect to y.
3y square minus 6y.
Put it to be 0. You will have the critical points. So after simplifying, we have y0 and y2. Right? So what are the possible critical points? It will be 0, 0, minus 2, 0, 0, 2, and minus 2, 2. They are the critical points. Is this point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have to check कि किस point पर maxima है, किस पर minima, किस पर saddle point, right? So we will find out the second order partial derivative. हाँ जी बोलो.
मैम हमें पता चला कि 4 पॉइंट्स निकलेंगे जब x और y के लिए हमने निकाली तो.
आपके पास critical point के लिए क्या होता है? Partial derivative of the function this should be 0 and this should be 0, right? इन दोनों को आपने simplify किया, you will have this, this, this. तो ये जरूरी तो नहीं कि 0, 0 ही सिर्फ होगा और -2 होगा. Might be possibility ये 0 हो, ये 2 हो, तो भी तो आपका fx और fy 0 होंगे ही. If the point is x is equal to
2 के लिए तो fx 0 नहीं होगा ना.
अगर आपका x 0 है, y 2 है, in that case also your partial derivative of the function with respect to x and with respect to y both are 0.
अच्छा, ओके मैम, ठीक है.
So we have to take all the possibilities. Okay. Now just see, find out the second order partial derivative of the function with respect to x. What will be this?
6x plus
6x plus
F of y
6y minus 6.
f of xy,
0.
right? अब हम पॉइंट लेंगे, तो पहले हमने पॉइंट लिया एट 0, 0, 0, 0 पे चेक कर रहे हैं. सो व्हाट इज द साइन ऑफ f of xx?
Positive.
इट इज 6 पॉजिटिव. आपने x को 0 पुट किया.
मैम.
हाँ जी बोलो.
मैम सबसे पहले हम वो नहीं निकाल सकते डिटरमिनेंट, ताकि पता उसी वक्त पता चल जाएगा कि
वो वही निकाल रहे हैं एक्चुअली. तीनों की वैल्यू निकालनी पड़ेगी तभी डिटरमिनेंट निकलेगा ना.
ओके
एट द पॉइंट 0, 0 तो वो भी निकल ही रहा है. एक्स वाई क्या है? 0. सो डिटरमिनेंट निकालो f of xx into f of yy minus f of xy whole square. So this is minus 36, which is negative. If it is negative, no need to check the sign of this. What will you have?
Saddle point हो जाएगा.
Yes, saddle point. So this implies f has saddle point at 0, 0. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
सैडल
Yes,
पॉइंट
ma'am.
का ग्राफिकली क्या मतलब होता है, एक बार वापस बता दो.
ग्राफिकली ये आपके पास वो पॉइंट है जहां पर कॉन्केविटी चेंज हो रहा होगा. वो क्रिटिकल पॉइंट जहां पर कॉन्केविटी चेंज हो रहा है. ऐसा
मैम ये एफ वाई वाई की वैल्यू 6 नहीं आएगी?
0 पुट किया,
ओके ओके सर।
-6. Okay, now check at the point -2, 0. At -2, 0 we will find out f of x. देखो क्या आएगी वैल्यू -2, 0 पे when you put x to be -2,
-12.
-6 आ गया सिंप्लीफाई करके. So you will have it is -6. f of y
-.
it will be -6. f of x y तो 0 ही है. So what will be your f of x into f of y minus f of xy whole square? It is plus 36, positive. So whenever this is positive and f of xx is negative,
Maximum.
so this implies f has local maxima at -2, 0, and the value of the function at this point is f of -2, 0 will be what? क्या होगा? Put over here -2 plus 0 -2, 4 आ रहा है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the value of the function at this point is 4. Next point is 0, 2. इस पे देखो अब साइन क्या होगा. What is your f of xx at 0?
Plus
It is
6.
6. And f of y 2 पर कितना होगा? 6. Both are positive. तो again आपके पास discriminant positive आ गया, but f of xx भी positive है.
Local minimum.
So this is positive, this is positive. This implies f has local minima at 0, 2, and the value of the function at this point is again 4 आ रही है देखना. नहीं, 8 plus
Yes, ma'am. -4.
-4 आ रही होगी, है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
Now last point check करो at -2, 2. f of xx -2 पे आ गया -6. f of y 2 पर आ गया 6. f of xy 0 है. तो ये आपके पास f of xx into f of y minus f of xy whole square क्या आ गया? नेगेटिव -36. ये नेगेटिव है तो इसका मतलब फंक्शन अज्यूम करेगा सैडल पॉइंट. Right? So the function has saddle point at -2, 2. Do one more question. Let's suppose you are given a function 2x cube plus 3yx plus 2y cube. Find all the local extremas. अब इसमें हम all local extremas क्यों कह रहे हैं? What will be the domain of this function? It's a complete plane.
Yes.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
कंप्लीट प्लेन होगा बिकॉज इट इज डिफाइंड फॉर ऑल एक्स वाई. तो बाउंड्रीज में है ही नहीं है, एंड पॉइंट्स है ही नहीं. दे आर -infinity एंड +infinity. सो बाउंड्रीज इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड. एंड पॉइंट हमें प्रॉपरली गिवन नहीं है. तो ओनली क्रिटिकल पॉइंट्स ही जो आपके पास इंटीरियर पॉइंट्स निकलेंगे उन्हीं पे ही हमें चेक करना है मैक्सिमम मिनिमा. इसमें हमें नीड ही नहीं है एंड पॉइंट पर चेक करने की, बिकॉज एंड पॉइंट्स इसमें प्रिसाइजली आपके पास नहीं है. हाँ, अगर ये हमें डोमेन दिया होता कि आपने एक्स लेना है लेस देन इक्वल टू 2, y लेना है लेस देन इक्वल टू 3, तो आपके पास x की मिनिमम एंड मैक्सिमम वैल्यू होगी -2 से 2, y की मिनिमम वैल्यू होगी -3 से 3. तो आपके पास एंड पॉइंट्स ये वाले बनेंगे. फिर हमने इन पॉइंट्स पे भी चेक करना होगा, राइट. बट इफ द फंक्शन इज डिफाइंड फॉर ऑल x y एंड दिस प्रॉपर डोमेन इज नॉट गिवन टू यू, देन एंड पॉइंट्स उस केस में आपके पास होंगे ही नहीं. दे आर द -infinity एंड +infinity. ओके, सो इसलिए हम उन पॉइंट्स पर कैलकुलेट नहीं कर रहे हैं. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट?
Yes.
So now find all the local extrema. So first of all we will find out the critical points. So find out partial derivative of this function with respect to x.
Square
6x square plus 3y.
plus 3y.
Partial derivative of f with respect to y.
3x plus 6y square.
Put it to be 0. So we cannot simplify. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इनमें से एक की वैल्यू निकाल ली, यहाँ पे पुट कर देंगे. So we can find out the value of y from the first equation. It will be minus 2x square. Put it over here. You will convert the whole equation in x square, in x. Now just see over here, when you substitute the value of y from the first equation, minus 2x square, you will have this one. You can take 3x to be common. You will get 1 plus 8x cube is equal to 0. We have to find only real points. So one point is x is equal to 0 and other is minus 1 by 2. Right? यहाँ से हमें मिलेगा x cube is equal to minus 1 by 8. तो x आ जाएगा minus 1 by 2 because real numbers ही लेने हैं हमने, rest आप छोड़ दोगे. Okay. अब when you put x to be 0, जब आपने x को 0 पुट किया तो y क्या आ रहा है?
0.
0. तो एक तो पॉइंट ये आ गया. When you put x को minus half, y will be
1 minus half.
minus 1 by 2. So एक ये पॉइंट आ गया. तो इस केस में ये दो क्रिटिकल पॉइंट्स आएंगे. क्लियर है ये?
Yes, ma'am.
Now find out second order partial derivative of the function with respect to x. It will be 12x. F of y, it is 12y. F of xy, it is 3. Right? अब आप 0 0 पे निकालो. At 0 0, f of xx is 0, y is 0, and this is 3. So 0 minus 9. It is less than 0. F of xx into f of y minus f of xy whole square. Add 0 0. F of xx is 0, f of y is 0, f of xy is 3. So when you put, you will have this. Discriminant में put किया, ये आ गया. When it is negative, this implies f has a saddle point. Okay. Now check at 1 minus half minus half. When you put x to be minus half, f of xx आपके पास आ रहा है minus 6 which is negative, f of y आ रहा है minus 6 and f of xy है 3. तो आपके पास discriminant क्या बना? 36 minus 9 which is positive. This is negative. तो इसका मतलब क्या होगा?
Maximum.
Yes, so f has local maxima at minus half comma minus half. एंड आगे आप फंक्शन की वैल्यू भी बता सकते हो अगर पूछा है उसने. नहीं पूछा तो यहाँ तक भी छोड़ सकते हो.